Every one of your friends is dead or burning under the rubble right now. It only took a single thrust to that boar's heart. Meanwhile, that yellow-haired boy is trapped under the rubble, squirming around like an insect. How disgraceful is that? And that Hashira, he really was all bark and no bite. It seems the poison got to him after all, and now he's dead like the others. This whole time, I've been waiting for this! Don't give up! Don't give up!